The 2018 Mazda CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good pick for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, navigation system, power passenger seat, power liftgate, Bluetooth, moonroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, climate control, center armrest, side airbag, clock, fog lights, power door locks, power windows, overhead console, dual zone climate control, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.